Data security is paramount in today's digital landscape, especially when it comes to employee information managed by HR systems. Here is why it matters. Trust. Strong security measures demonstrate a commitment to protecting employee data, enhancing trust between employees and the organization. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to information security regulations like GDPR and CPA is crucial for protecting employee privacy rights and avoiding legal risks. Cost savings. Investing in robust security measures saves time and resources by preventing data breaches and their HRIM encompasses the digital tools and technologies used by HR departments to streamline various HR functions, from recruitment to payroll. These systems store a vast amount of employee data, including personal information, employment history, and performance metrics. With the increasing frequency and complexity of cyber threats, safeguarding sensitive data has become a top priority for organizations worldwide. Compliance with data protection regulations is non-negotiable, with severe penalties for non-compliance. Implementing robust security measures. Use encryption, access controls, and secure authentication techniques to prevent unauthorized access or breaches. Employee training and awareness. Educate employees about data security best practices, such as password hygiene and phishing awareness. Regular data audits and assessments. Conduct regular audits to identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with data protection rules. Data minimization and retention policies. Only collect and handle data necessary for legitimate business purposes. Vendor due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence when using third-party HRIM vendors or cloud-based solutions to ensure they comply with data protection standards. HR professionals play a crucial role in promoting a culture of data protection within organizations. They should collaborate with it and compliance departments to implement effective data protection strategies and respond promptly to security incidents